Hey guys, and welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you how to install our bamboo shoe rack. Okay, so first thing, we're going to open up the box and take out all the contents on the inside. Next up, we're just going to separate all the screws in the pack so we don't get confused, and then we're going to start with the installation. So just to quickly run through it, when I'm speaking about the A screws, it will be these ones. The B screws are the long ones over here, and this will be the D locks. We have C screws over here with F parts, and then you also get your E, which is this. That's the tool we'll be using to install. Let's head on over to the installation. We're going to connect these little ladders over here to the shoe rack over here. So obviously the smallest one comes at the top, and then the wider one goes at the bottom. So we're just going to pick up an A screw and then connect it here. Okay, so it should look something like this, and then we're just going to turn it on the side again, and then we're going to be placing the wider ladder here at the bottom and then connecting it the same way we just did with the smaller one. Okay, and then we're going to be taking our D-lock over here, and we're going to be placing it inside of this hole like that. And then you're going to be taking your screw, connecting it through the ends over here, and then you're going to start fastening it. Okay, so now that it's connected, this is how it should look. So you'll have your D-lock over there and your screw, and you see it can move around, and then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, so now the unit is basically almost complete. We're just going to be taking the other leg and then connecting it on the right side over here using the A and the B screws, just like we did on this side. Okay, great. So now this is how the shoe rack looks. And then we're just going to do the top installation by grabbing the C and the F over here. You'll see that there are little holes already made here in the bamboo, so you'll know exactly where to place the Fs. So just make sure that they are facing upward. Okay, so as you can see, when it's completely fastened, it doesn't go anywhere. It's pretty tight, and then you'll do the same for the top over here and on the rest of the sides. Okay, so now we're going to connect the top. We're going to place it down, facing upside down, and then you'll see there are these tiny little holes over here. This is where you're going to be connecting your C screws. You're going to take your shoe rack, make sure that it is in line with those holes that we just found. Just move it around a bit until you find each one. And then you're going to connect your C screws. Alright, so the installation is done. As you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. And then we also have this little cover over here if you wanted to protect the bench from any unwanted dust, or if you're ever placing your shoes. Okay, so that's how to put on the slip cover over here. You'll see you have an extra A screw and a C screw left over here. You also get a non-slip foot pad, which you just place at the bottom. You also have an extra one of these, and that's basically how to install the shoe rack bench from Heartdeco. It's available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more.